Good morning everyone. Good morning Ma'am Castañeda. This is the case study of Group 2. Ang napili po naming food establishment is the Paraiso de Abidad. Paraiso de Abidad is located in Barangay San Antonio 1, San Pablo City. They offering breakfast meals, dessert like blueberry cheesecake, fries, and burger, and also like dinner, sisig rice, surf turf, spicy Hawaiian fish fillet. They can offer not only food, they also offer programs, workshop to develop your skills and your personality. So, original layout po ng kitchen ng Abidad. So, sa gitna po is the preparation area. Sa gilid po is the cold storage, washing area, receiving area. Sa dalawang side po is the serving area, drying area, stock room, cold storage, dessert area, cold storage, and also the cooking area and the waste disposal. Bumble diagram, original layout. Flow materials and personnel. So dito sa flow of materials and personnel, pinapakita yung pagkakasunod-sunod o yung procedure na ginagawa ng isang staff sa kitchen kung paano nila i-prepare ang isang food, paano nila lutuin, at kung paano nila ito isa-serve. Revised kitchen layout. So, ang binago po namin ay yung receiving area at waste disposal. Pinagpalit lang po namin sila ng pwesto. Pinagpalit po namin sila dahil para mas malapit po sa washing area yung waste disposal. Next po is the dessert area and cold storage. Sa original po, nasa gitna po ang dessert area. So, ang ginawa lang po namin, pinagtabi lang po namin yung dalawang cold storage. Revised bumble diagram. So, mas mapapansin nyo, mas okay yung flow nila kaysa dun kanina. Last is the revise of flow materials and personnel. Ito na po yung binago namin. And that's all. Thank you.